As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Master Cook 4-burner gas grill. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Bighorn is all about intense heat, right? It boasts 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to that infrared burner.
Yeah, that's what caught my eye. 19,000 BTUs focused on searing. The Master Cook, on the other hand, is a more traditional gas grill, 48,000 BTUs spread across 4 burners, plus a side burner.
Exactly. The Master Cook is aiming for overall cooking area, 518 square inches versus the Bighorn's smaller cooking surface of 143 square inches. Think burgers and dogs for a crowd versus perfectly seared steaks for a few.
That makes sense. And the Bighorn is stainless steel, which they say is dishwasher safe. What about the Master Cook?
The Master Cook also uses stainless steel for the lid and control panel, but it has enamel cooking grates. Cleaning might be a bit more involved, but enamel is good for heat retention. It's also bulkier, dimensionally, at 55 DX23 WX43.9H compared to the Bighorn's 16 DX21.5 inches WX15.4 inches H.
So portability is a factor. The Bighorn is tabletop, easier to move around. For camping or tailgating maybe, it is only 30.9 pounds.
Definitely. The Master Cook has casters, so you can move it, but at 37.1 pounds and its larger size, it's more suited for staying put on a patio. Also, the Master Cook has a thermometer built into the lid, which is a nice touch for temperature control.
Good point. I saw the Bighorn has a 10-tier adjustable rack, which seems versatile. And the Master Cook has a side burner, which could be handy for sauces.
Yeah, the Bighorn is really focused on that high-heat, top-down searing method. It includes a pizza stone, too, which is cool. The Master Cook gives you more flexibility with different heat zones and that side burner for more elaborate meals.
Okay, so if I want perfectly seared steaks and something portable, Bighorn. For overall grilling capacity and more traditional gas grilling, Master Cook.
Pretty much. Depends on your grilling style and what you plan on cooking.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.